This is the video demonstration for the Soltec DeltaMax. We're going to show all the subsystems working, but first we'll go show you an overview of the machine. Now some of the covers are off here as it allows for better access to the machine. Pot is heated up. We'll show the wave working. You can see the wave fingers are making their way along. Roll out the solder pot there. Here's the electronics. And we'll make our way to the front. We're going to start with the fluxer first and basically make our way to the wave. So let's see the fluxer actuating and fluxing. This is a dual-headed, dual-supply fluxer. Okay, thank you. We've got two convection zones here. You can hear that convection happening. And in our third zone, we have tail rods and IR on the top. Is that correct, Bob? You can see the IR strobing there. I'm not sure there's much to see with the tail rods. Will they change color? Probably not. There is a section on the screen here we can show you. That would be zone 3 cal rod. Is it on right now?
Yes.
So that would be the 25, right, 26, 27. That's the one that's heating up? Is that right?
Yeah, they're all 3 of them.
Oh, okay. Great. Well, we're done with that. You can turn those off, please. Thank you. I can feel the heat already. Okay, and here we have, let's see, a smart wave and a chip wave. And right there, we're looking at the main wave right there?
Yeah.
Wow, that's hot. And that would be the chip wave, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else we want to show them, Bob? No? That is the demonstration of a fully functional Soltec DeltaMax. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.